The video you are watching is a 360 degree video. The advantage of 360 degree video is that you can see the entire portion of a particular place in a single frame, or otherwise a 360 degree frame can be seen in a single frame. That is the main advantage of 360 degree video. Do you know how the 360 degree videos are shot? Normally it is shot on a 360 degree camera, and I use Insta 360 1x2 to shoot such videos. And this particular camera is also having a mobile application, or otherwise it is having an application which can be used in a laptop or a computer. This Insta 360 1x2 is having two lenses. The videos can be shot using a selfie stick. Then later on you can edit the videos in that particular app, this Insta 360 app, to get 360 videos like the video you are watching. This type of cameras will be very useful to shoot travel videos or adventure sports videos, and the results will be very much interesting like the video you are watching. And these type of cameras can be used to shoot normal videos also, like the 16:9, 9:16 or 1:1 ratio. That type of videos also can be shot using these cameras. So this is how a 360 degree video is made, and this video is shot on a place named Kala Pathar, which is located in Sikkim in India. Actually, this Kala Pathar is a part of Himalayan mountains and is exactly located in northern Sikkim and is at an altitude of 18,000 feet above main sea level. Due to its high altitude, this Kala Pathar will be fully covered in ice most of the year. Actually, Kala Pathar means, it is a Hindi word meaning black rocks. But these black rocks will be fully covered with white colored snow all over the year. North Sikkim is a must visit place with such wonderful places like Kala Pathar, like Gurudamar, which is also at an altitude of 18,000 feet, like Yumtang Valley, 0 Point, etc. And the best season to visit Kala Pathar or North Sikkim, we can say, is during April, May, June, that type of months. Because during the winter period, the area will be fully covered with snow and it will be very difficult to visit these places. Actually, the nearest airport to North Sikkim is Pakyong Airport, which is in Gangtok, the capital city of Sikkim. But flights in this Pakyong Airport are very less. So, Bagdogra can be taken as the nearest airport, which is having much more traffic than that of Pakyong Airport. And the nearest railway station is actually NJP or New Jalpaiguri. And from NJP or Bagdogra, it will take around 4 to 6 hours. Around 120 kilometers is there to reach Gangtok. And from Gangtok, you have to travel another 4 to 5 hours to reach the North Sikkim part, that is Lachen or Lakchur, to visit these places. So I hope that you have enjoyed the 360 degree view of Kala Pathar. Please like and share our video and subscribe our channel to watch many more videos of such wonderful and must visit locations. Thank you.